Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to do my September 2021. My god, I just said September. I can't believe it's this far along in the year already, but anyway. The September 2021 Medusa's makeup subscription. So let's go ahead and check it out. So we have our card here. Looks like the theme is peace out, so I guess that's in reference to summer. Doesn't really say, it just says peace out. And it looks like we're getting 4 products and a bonus. So let's go ahead and check that out. Here is our bonus. This is from Beauty Host. It's the Rose Moisturizing Mask. And it looks pretty cool. This is a $5 value. They send a mask almost every subscription at this point, so I mean, I'm not mad about that. I always end up using them. They're always something fun to do. Here are our products. The first thing we have is from Lovebird. It is the tinted lip balm in the color Smooch. So here's that. And it says this is an $8 value. I'm gonna go ahead and get the plastic off of this and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the plastic off of this and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. I have another one of their lip balms in a brownish color, and I was worried it would be way too much color on the lips in that brown color, but since it is on the sheer side, it ends up looking really pretty on the lips. And here is this color, Smooch. So as you can see, it's sheer, but it's enough to definitely influence the natural color of your lips. So I think that's going to be really, really pretty. I am so far really pleased with this. There's also a strong scent to this. Now the brown one smelled a lot like chocolate. This one smells like a light mix of florals and a hint of fruitiness. I don't know. Let's see, is there any fragrance? It just says fragrance. It doesn't give me an actual like type of fragrance, but it smells nice. I can though definitely see this possibly irritating some people. I like the smell though. Next item we have here, this is their baked eyeshadow in the color Brunch. So you'll see the packaging is actually purple. It was pink before. I have this one right here to show you. So this is the color Mood. So packaging has changed a little bit. This also has plastic on it. Let me get that off. And we'll go ahead and give this a swatch. So here is the color Brunch. Really pretty. Let's go ahead and give that a swatch. So here is what that looks like on the hand. A bronzy, but also a little bit coppery type of tone. And I will say, actually, if we compare those to the color Mood, they do look very similar. Mood is definitely a little more red based. This is probably more like straight copper than this one. This one definitely has the bronzy tone, if you get the subscription and you are wondering how they compare. But it's really pretty. I could see that being very beautiful on the lid. And if you had a darker toned skin, or you just like going bold with your highlight, it would be a really pretty highlight too, I think. The next item we have in our little baggie is in this very cute packaging. Super cute, you know. If my camera would focus, there we go. It's got little arrows on the side. Really adorable. This is, oh, I didn't tell you about the eyeshadow price. The baked eyeshadow is a $14 value. This is a Mystical Eye Dust, and it's in the color Psyche, I think is how you would say that. Correct me if I'm wrong. I probably am. So that is a $11.95 value, and it looks like everyone probably got the same color because the color name is listed on here. So let's open her up and take a look. So here is the product. And I can't remember, sorry, that's my drawer, they're loud, if we've gotten a purple eye dust in the past. We have, yes. This other mystical eye dust definitely came with the purple lid too. So I was just curious about that. And if we open it up, just looking at it, the color looks kind of purple with bronze flecks. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull the plastic off of here. Okay, I'm gonna try and get just a little bit of this on my finger, just enough so we can do a swatch on the back of my hand. Oh, this is pretty. So it is like a slightly burnt eggplant tone. It's not showing up as purple as it looks in real life on the camera, I can tell you that. But it is a brown purple with golden bronzy flecks. I could see why they put both of these in this month's bag together, because these are going to go really well together. They look so pretty just swatched next to each other. So I can't wait to give this a try. Generally, I am not all that psyched about colors, but this one is just something else. It is gorgeous. I'm really excited to try this one and wear it in a future video for you guys to see. This is really cool. And then our last product included in this month's subscription is from Seraphine Botanicals, which is a company they often include products from. I'm guessing they must have some sort of partnership with Lovebird and Seraphine Botanicals, because products from these two companies are included all the time. So this is the Rose and Coconut Water Hydration Mist. So let's see. The very first ingredient is rose flower water, which I'm not super wild about. Further down you have citrus extract. Extract, I guess, is not the worst. More citrus water. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to see how strong the scent is on this to see if it's something I would consider keeping, but I'm thinking I'll probably end up giving this away to a friend, just because, to be honest, the facial mist really isn't a product I use that frequently anyway, so it's not going to get much use here even if it didn't have the fragrance. But I'm just going to go ahead and spray it on my inner arm. The fragrance is really light, so that is reassuring that the rose water used in this isn't that potent and that strong. That's actually probably a good thing. Regardless, this is still something I'm going to give away, just like, because I said I don't really use facial mists all that much anyway. I don't tend to go through them quickly, so I'm going to go ahead and give this to a friend who I think would get much more use out of this. But I am really pleased that the fragrance in this is not really strong. So overall, this month, the masks, I always do the little sheet masks they send, so that's fun to get. I love the color of this eyeshadow. Even if I don't end up keeping it, I think it is gorgeous, but I'm definitely going to try it on for you guys in a future video. This other eyeshadow, the baked one, is also really pretty. Their baked eyeshadows are all really pretty, to be honest, all the ones I've tried so far. And this lip balm is a really pretty color too. So I'm actually pretty pleased with this month's Medusa's makeup box. I think I might actually like this more than the August birthday bag that they ended up really hyping up for several months. Is that weird? Like, I didn't think that was that impressive for how much they hyped it up. But I think this one's actually pretty exciting. So I am really pleased. The colors are really nice for transitioning into fall too, which is nice. So I am going to let you guys go. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Per usual, I will link to everything I'm wearing, including my cool Baltimore shirt, which I love. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!